Hello, today me and my friend Edna, she's coming over later, we're going to teach you how to make lemonade and M&Ms. She should be here any minute. Come in! Hello, dear. Hello. Alright, let's start with the lemonade.
Yes. Well, first we need our lemonade powder.
Yes.
And the water.
And first we're just going to
Pour the water.
Here.
We pour. Let me read the recipe, darling. Pour the water into the glass. Then you take the lemonade powder.
I think that water's going old.
Yeah. It's impossible to open. Okay, got it.
Now just a couple teaspoons, couple buckets, yes.
How about this?
A little more, maybe 2. That's good.
All right, good. Now.
Yes. Okay. That didn't work too well.
Well, wipe it up with the recipe.
I wonder what went wrong.
I wonder what.
Okay. All right. Now for the M&Ms. Oh. Okay.
All right.
Here's a bowl for you.
All right. What we going to do?
This will go a little better.
First, we take out this.
Yes.
Whatever it is. We pour a couple of that.
To make it rise. Yes. Here.
Yes, that's good.
And now
then we use
the cocoa powder to make them chocolatey.
Then maybe a little bit of water.
And some vinegar.
Of course.
So put the water in.
I will.
Let's see. Maybe this lemonade stuff will work.
It's steaming.
Oh, put some more in.
No, it's getting bigger.
Oh, of course,
that has almost formed.
According to the recipe, that's what's supposed to
I think we broke the recipe.
Oh well,
a long time ago.
Anyway.
I know.
Well, now you just need to
put them in the oven.
Stir it up a minute.
Enter it in the oven.
You have to stir it. Make sure it's totally dissolved.
Maybe just a little bit of this lemonade powder. Give it flavor.
Oh yes.
Of course.
Alright.
Now you put it in the oven.
Blow it for good luck.
It's really weird.
Alright.
And now you lick up the dough.
But we'll spare you that part. Alrighty. Now we're getting ready. Let's see.
Well, I'll be right back. I have to use the loop.
Well, come back soon. They're almost done. I know. Beep, beep, beep. The timer's going off, dear.
Darling.
I'm coming. The timer.
That was very...
Alright, let's see what these look like. Ooh, they're beauties. Here.
Ooh, look at those.
Look at them.
They're fresh.
Well, we forgot to put the coating. Well, it's just the wonderful
Wait, now you need to break them into little circles.
Yes.
And then
roll them.
You roll them. And, oh, this is nice and squishy.
Now,
Squish it.
We need to make them into little circles.
The little tiny ones. There's one. This is going to be my M&M. Perfect. Now, what you do, sprinkle the cocoa powder.
Oh, yes.
Give it chocolate.
And here's our sport, dear. Oh, yes.
This'll do.
Eat it.